This is Lily's latest thing. Putting her legs up in the air. Lily. And she likes to grab her foot. She always grabs her left one with her left hand, but she hardly ever grabs her right one with her right hand. Lily. Lily.
Look at the mama. Where's that mama? Get that mama.
Lily.
What?
Lily.
What are you doing? Mama calling you.
Lily.
Are you daddy's girl?
Nom 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 nom.
There's
Lily.
the mama. Back to dad.
Lily. She loves to have her feet in the air now.
Oh my. What? There you go.
Yeah. Lily. Hi. Hi. Big girl. Happy baby. Happy baby.
Give me those cheeks.
Happy baby
Give me
girl.
those cheeks. Ah, bah, bah.
You and your legs. Silly girl.
Huh?
It almost sounded like she said bye. You gonna talk to Dada? Talk to Dada.
What are you doing?
Talk to Dada.
You talk to me? Hi. Hi.